So the purpose of today's video is to show you the difference between a DE cartridge filter and the older style Hayward vertical grid DE that use the filter grids as opposed to a cartridge. So today we have the Sta-Rite PLDE 48 square foot filter. And we just show you, this is what we call cartridge DE. And we very much like it because we can use this cartridge and then we coat it with DE powder through the skimmer. And it can be function as a cartridge, as you can see, very easy to put in. And it also has the ability to hold DE. So we henceforth the name cartridge DE filter. What we like about it is the surface area, full complete surface area. And if you're in an area that doesn't like the backwash, or you don't want to backwash the DE off, you could simply shut the pump off, drain the tank, and pull this out and clean it at your convenience. You do not have to go to backwash. And if your pool's heated, you're pumping out heated water. You're also pumping out water with chemicals in it. So you would save that by using this type of a filter because it allows you to clean without any backwash. You'll also see the difference between Sta-Rite's cartridge versus Hayward vertical grid DE. What creates some issues here sometimes is basically when you backwash, DE gets trapped inside. You'll see it tends to become clumped and very dirty because when you backwash, you're not losing all the DE powder. A residue remains, and that's one of the disadvantages of a cluster DE. It tends to hold old DE in the tank. So, for example, this is a 48 square foot filter. Problem being, if you start your pool in May, by the time we get to July 4th, this is no longer a 48 square foot because we've had so much DE trapped in here that it gets reduced in size, we'll say down to a 36. So here at Easy Test, we highly recommend the Sta-Rite cartridge over your traditional Hayward vertical grid DE. You'll also see on this demo filter we've attached Renaissance. Renaissance is a new product for us. We've sold it over the last couple of years. It's excellent. We use it on almost all our new in-ground installations. It uses ultraviolet plus ozone. It's one powerful system. It eliminates 99.9% of all water impurities. So ozone allows us to use and purify water with much less chlorine. We still encourage you to use a residual of chlorine. However, with this system, you do not need as much chlorine, just a small amount depending on the size of the pool.
I hope you enjoyed that video. Please rate, like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already, or click the bell notification to ensure that you're receiving our most updated content. And as always, thanks for watching.